Hi guys, here 5 plus 5 is 10 minus this 5 divided by this 5 times 6. Now here 10 minus 5 is 5 divided by 5 times 6. This is 5 divided by 5 is 1 times 6 is the wrong answer. As per the order of operations, this 6 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce that PEMDAS rule from order of operation. Here, this is a bracket, higher priority. This is exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here, multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also, this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right. Now, we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. As per this PEMDAS rule, this bracket is higher priority than other operations. So we have to do this first. So 5 plus 5 is 10 minus 5 divided by 5 times 6. Here we have subtraction, division and multiplication. Here division and multiplication is higher priority than this subtraction. So we have to do this operation before this subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority, which we have to do here. For this we are going to introduce that left to right. Left to right is this one. So 10 minus 5 divided by 5 is 1 times 6. Now here subtraction and multiplication. Multiplication is higher priority than this subtraction. So 10 minus 1 times 6 is 6. So 5 minus 6 is 4 is the correct answer.